From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your Evening Update.
Hello everyone. Those temperatures, they're going to be warming up a bit, but for the most part, they're going to stay below normal and really kind of keep it right around near normal for this time of the year over the next few days. However, we've got a big cool down in store for us by Friday. I think you're going to like the temperatures that you see here and possible showers by the end of this week and even into the first half of the weekend in particular. Now the smoke forecast, yes, it's something we need to continue to monitor here, and it looks like we're going to see more smoke overnight tonight, especially in Trinity County, western Siskiyou, and not to mention into the inland areas as well. But it looks like a lot of that smoke may dissipate by tomorrow morning, so mainly in the form of some haze, and probably not as much smoke through the afternoon. However, we may see kind of another round of smoke, just not as much for parts of the north coast, not to mention Trinity County, as we go into Wednesday evening. And then as we go into Thursday morning, a lot of that smoke will dissipate again with maybe another round coming in Thursday afternoon. That's pretty typical. That's what we've seen over the last few weeks. So when we look at inland, yes, smoky tonight, but we may see a little bit of clearing here for the afternoon. Same situation for places like Weaverville, a little smoky, but then it starts to clear out here as we take you through at least the first half of the day on your Wednesday. Not a whole lot going on right now over the Pacific. Eventually, though, we're going to see this energy right here kind of push itself eastward here as we take you in through the next couple of days. What's going to happen is that motion pushes eastward. We're going to see a piece of energy break off. That's the pocket of cool air that will drop our temperatures down significantly by Friday. It's going to be gorgeous. And then, of course, these temperatures will stay in place because you see these just storm systems kind of riding to our north. That's going to keep our temperatures at bay. Yeah, once we see this first initial push of cooler air, yes, it's going to be significantly cooler. And then temperatures will warm up a little bit after that, but most likely stay well below normal for this time of the year. So when we talk about rain, we're talking about rain with that first push of colder air. Tomorrow, no rain. Thursday may be a little interesting because as we go through the morning on Thursday, we're going to see a very weak boundary push through. This could bring a stray sprinkle or light shower for everyone on the north coast, and not to mention in Trinity County. Not a big deal, kind of a precursor of what's to come on Friday. Because as we go into Friday, what we're going to see happen is I think everyone, the coast, the mountains, the inland areas, the valley, all seeing chances for showers, maybe even some thunderstorms here that'll be included on Saturday before Sunday. It looks like now all of the forecast models agree that it will dry out by Sunday, and it looks like this drier weather will continue through all of next week, but no major heat waves in store for us once we do see that rain move out. Now the wave heights, they are expected to increase for your Wednesday. That's why we do have these small craft advisories even along the immediate coast. But I do expect to see those waves die down as we go into Thursday. So here's your marine forecast. Yeah, the winds are picking up. They're from the north at 15 to 25 knots. Your waves from the northwest is 6 feet at 7 seconds, and from the west at 3 feet at about 12 seconds. So your low tide will be tomorrow morning at 6:06 a.m. at minus 1.3 feet. But then by around 1 p.m. tomorrow, it's 6.5 feet. So again, you can see it's increasing. That's why we do have that small craft advisory for tomorrow. All right, overnight tonight, again, I think we're going to see some smoke out there. Otherwise, as we go into your Wednesday, less smoke. Temperatures mid to upper 80s, although places like Trinity Center, about 81, 77 for Ruth, 87 in Garberville, and Hoopa, a high of about 89 degrees. Your 7-day outlook. There you can see for your Labor Day on Monday, we're going to be looking at dry conditions. But it looks like the first half of your weekend for everyone, your Labor Day weekend, starting Friday, chance for showers, continuing on Saturday, but then by Sunday, those chances for showers will move out, including Eureka, and then Sunday, it's dry. Labor Day is dry as well. Then by next Tuesday, mostly cloudy skies and a high of 64.